got so involved with the burning process, he made changes, and he is considered to be the founder of the Anheuser-Busch Brewing Company that produces, manufactures, and distributes Budweiser, the Cuban beer. The Busch's family were very involved with horses. That's why from time to time you see some of the equestrian jumps. There should be actually what? And on your right side, you'll be able to see the brown elk. The brown elk are part of the 48 states. And down in the distance, you can see a beautiful buck with a beautiful set of antlers.
There you go.
Oh, they're young.
I need a whistle.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Once you go and yeah, on the other side of those three, you can see some of the deer. There's a couple of you know.
There's no.
It looks like white nails.
He would like to stick his face in there.
I know.
Another deer just walking down by the tree.
I was trying to point out.
There's a couple of the Udon sheep up there. They're just laying on top of the Red Rock Formation.
Oh, yeah.
See the big in that house. Those look like the houses of
On the top there's an animal.
Yeah, over here, as we go around this bend, if you look on your right, you should be able to see some of the koi fish.
Look at the lake with piles.
Look at all the poop.
I would go down there if I could.
Here.